Alright, so this is a demonstration that our micro front end is working. So see here, this one here is from a micro front end, and if we are going to check the highlights and get the, what's the route for this? I believe this is Moon. Is it Moon? So yeah, here, this is the one. Moon works. Hello, I'm good now. So this one here, hello, I'm good now. Okay, so let's see if we can style this one and if it will reflect here. So let's go back to our highlights here. This one, moon. Okay, so we want to add, oops. We want to add a style here. So let's say background is green and then color is gold, and see if we like add more here. Highlight, this is which one? This is highlights, and if we put a style here, highlights, oops, and we put here the highlights, background color is red, color is still gold. Right, so let's build that. Docker ps a, so that is not running yet, so we will build it. We will build it. Oh, we already built this. We just want to run this. Oops. Yeah, just run it. And after running it, we will build it. We'll remove the dist folder here. Oh, not that one, the highlights one. Okay, rm force dist execute build, so it will generate build. I mean, it will execute the build, and we are going to deploy that to highlights. Oops, what's going on? I go to highlights. Let's go to highlights here, and let's wait for it to complete. Alright. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. Jung, 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 jung. Everything you do, ding, 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 and it was all yellow. Yellow. Alright, so it's already completed. Let's put it to, what is this? Well known here. Let's delete this. Are we in highlights now? Let's refresh. Highlights. Let's push. I wrote a song for you. Everything you do. And it was all yellow. Ding 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 ding. Alright, so we got it styled. So we'll refresh this if we will have it styled. So why is it not styled? Oh, so there you go. The style is already implemented after a refresh. So yeah, our module federation is good. Next is we will experiment. If I click something here, how can the host or the shell app detect it? If I click something from the shell app, how can the um, the remote app detects it? So let's not use our brain. So let's just go straight to Gemini to asset and Angular module federation. Help me implement a communication between the shell and the host and the remote application. Absolutely, let's explore some ways to implement communication between the host and remote applications within an Angular module federation setup. Alright, so key communication methods, custom events, how it works. The host or remote can dispatch custom events that the other listens for, carrying data along with them. Pros, simple browser native mechanism. Cons, might get unwieldy with complex communication. Alright, so in the remote application, we do something like this: custom event, window dispatch event. You can still use window dispatch event. And then in the host app, you can add a listener. I believe I've implemented this like 4 years ago using NX, but my memory is like Dora. I don't really recall like 1 week after I've implemented something. So another one here is shared service. How it works: a service is marked as shared in module federation's configuration. This service becomes a singleton. Both host and remote get the same instance. Pros: easy to manage state and use familiar Angular patterns. Cons: potential tight coupling if not careful. So just be careful so that you won't have any tight coupling, right? So for the shared service, you're gonna do this. This is a shared service, same like other Angular application service. And then in the Webpack module federation config, it will be marked as shared. Another one is web workers. How it works: use a web worker to establish a dedicated communication channel utilizing the post message API. Alright, so pros: excellent for offloading complex logic, reducing main thread load. So cons: adds more complexity in setup and message handling. So this one also works, but yeah, I'm not sure if this will work with shared hosting. Yeah, I think it's okay because this one will be just a separate thread in the browser, I think. Window.post message, how it works: direct communication between host and remote windows or iframes using the post message. Yeah, we don't want iframe here, but yeah, so this one is cool. This one is cool, right? So I'm not sure. Okay, thanks, bye.